Hello, I'm Gabi Company from The Dreaming Show. In life and business, we want to do many things. We want to achieve many things. At the end of the day, probably doing nothing because we are multitasking, we are focusing on hitting different goals and nothing. We need to be clear about the things that you want to achieve. There is an important strategy called the domino effect. Let me show you how it works. It's like a domino, a real domino. We can have different goals. We can have different goals in life, and that's okay. But we need to be clear, one step at a time, hit one goal, and then comes more goals. And we can achieve along the way many goals. But we need to be clear of the things that we want to achieve. How does it work? Imagine this is your goal. This is your first priority. Focus on that goal. Be clear about that goal. Put all the commitment in that goal. And if you are so committed and continue doing everything, the planning, the action, everything that is needed to do, you will hit. Let's start. This is the goal. You are going to be 100% committed. You are going to be taking action every single time, no matter what, and you will see. You hit the goal and don't stop until you finish. That's the domino effect. It was Gabi Company from The Dreaming Show. See you soon. Bye.